Hey guys, Jay here with Isa and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another makeup review and demo. So today I'm going to be demonstrating Cailyn's eye polish that they gifted me. So Cailyn sent me over these cool eye polish and I'm gonna open the box for you guys. It's so cute. They sent me 3 eye polish and they're so cute. Wait till you see why they're called eye polish, okay? Look at how cute is this. They come in a nail polish container, but it's called eye polish because one, it looks like a nail polish, right? But it's eyeshadow, guys. So cute. It has a built-in applicator where you can just dip it in just like you would with the nail polish and apply the eyeshadow. So they sent me this one and it's in Orchid. Such a pretty color. And then they also sent me this beautiful color. It's a brown with silver shimmer. So these are beautiful pigments and this is in the color Kona. So cute, and again it has the same applicator. You can just dip it in and apply it. I love it. It's so cute, so clever. And the last one they sent me is if I can open it. Come on. It's this beautiful color and it's champagne, and look at these are the 3 beautiful colors that he sent me. And the cool part is that they are made with 100% raw minerals and they're shimmery and they glide on very smoothly. For this demo, I'm going to be creating a nice eye look with all of these colors. So, all right, so let's get started. I have done my foundation, my brows, my contour. So since I already have done my foundation, I'm going to apply translucent powder underneath my my eyes so I don't mess up my foundation. So I'm taking a little bit of translucent powder. So this is going to help with the fallout. All right, that's good enough. So now I'm going to go in with the Orchid color because I'm going to use the Orchid color on my crease. I'm not going to use the built-in sponge, okay, because it's going to be hard to blend it out here, but I am going to use it with the other color, the champagne. So for now I'm going to use my brush and I'm going to take a little bit of the Orchid color. So I'm getting a little bit on my brush and I'm just going to apply that on my crease, on the other eye, and I only need a little bit. You can already see the definition on between my crease and my lid. And then I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to get the Kona color, which is this one. I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to get just a little bit of that color. And I'm going to go in like halfway into my crease right here. And I'm grabbing my brush really close to the bristles, okay? Because that's gonna allow the color to go in deep into the crease. Look at how pretty that is. It's so vibrant. Look at that. How nice is that? Now I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to diffuse the edges out just so they can blend in with the other color. Just a little bit. So you see how that's just blending out the edges to make sure that they blend out. So we have no harsh lines. Now for the next step, I'm going to apply the champagne color on my lid. So for this one, I am going to use the applicator so you guys can see how easy it is to use the applicator. So I'm going to dip it in. And I'm going to tap it just a little bit, and then I'm going to spray the applicator with some setting spray, okay? On my lid. Perfect. This is perfect. Especially when you're trying to do like a cut crease. This applicator is perfect. So I'm grabbing some more and I'm going to do the next eye. So now I am going to do my eyeliner, okay? So I'm going to do my liner and I'll be back. All right, so my eyeliner is on. I'm going to remove my translucent powder. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Kona and I'm going to apply it under here, under my lash line, so I can smoke that out. And now I am going to apply a little bit of that color. And I'm going to take a small brush and I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. And a little bit of highlighter. So now I'm going to apply my mink eyelashes and I'm using Lashes by Envy. Okay, so I'm going to apply my lashes and Alright, so my lashes are on. Now for the final touch, I'm going to be applying my lip color. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this review and demo of Cailyn Cosmetics using their eye polish. So if you guys liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up and share this out with your friends and leave me a comment down below. And if you guys want to check them out, make sure to see the link in my description box. So thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.